This is the coordinated monthly test of the emergency alert system equipment. You must receive timely emergency information. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system. This is the coordinated monthly test of the emergency alert system equipment. If this had been an actual emergency, you would have received timely emergency information. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
All right, here it is.
Don't get stuck in traffic.
Got an accident. Everything is over on the shoulders.
Depend on traffic report every 10 minutes during the KFBK morning and afternoon news. News Radio KFBK, 93.1 FM and 1530 AM.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. This is a coordinated monthly test of the emergency alert system. Broadcasters in our area are testing the equipment that can quickly warn you in the event of emergencies. If this had been an actual emergency such as flooding, high winds, or a chemical spill, official messages would have followed this tone. This station serves the Sacramento Valley and Sierra Nevada foothill counties. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.